Okay, so hello guys. In this video, we will talk about the OOPs. In OOPs, we will cover your class and object. Okay, how you define the class and how you define the object, how we call the function. These basic things we will cover in this video. Okay, so first you understand this. What is OOPs? So it's a object-oriented programming paradigm or system. Okay, so basically in OOPs we will cover your class and object. Okay, we will comment this. So class now here's question is what is class and what is object. So we have to understand these things first, then we go to coding part. So object basically suppose that you are taking like suppose you have a car, real car. Okay, so that is your object. It's a real time entity. So car is a object which is real time exist. But car name is a class. Okay, name is a object. Okay, so class is the car name. Okay, car name like BMW, any name. Okay, and BMW original, which is the exist. That is the object. That is difference between both of them. Now we are going to our coding section. So first, how we define the class and how we define the object. So first, I'm taking here a class A. Okay, so before you are using your when you're using your class name, then you have to define the class. Then you have to take any name, whatever you want to define. I'm taking here a class A. Okay, now here are 2 to 3 things is going on. What? First is the constructor, and then constructor is the when you call the your class, first it is executed. So how we define this? You have to simple write this your function. So I'm just writing a simple syntax first, then we go to one by one in a next level. Okay, function, then you have to take a construct, and you if you pass a value, so you need to pass value when you are run the this class or function. So I'm simple taking here a echo hello constructor, how are you? Okay, so this is the constructor. Now here, suppose I want to do any operation, or I want to call this some function like define function any function name. I'm taking here any function name like add, take add, and echo this. Total addition which comes here. Okay, so this is the your function which is you define. Okay, and last is comes your destructor. So define here a destructor also, then we talk about this destructor underscore use double underscore and then write destruct, and echo and right here, hello destructor. Okay, now, so these are the this is the class and this is the constructor, and constructor always executed first and destructor always executed in last. We remember these two things. Then this is the UR function which is you defined. Okay, this is not important to define the constructor and destructor. You can remove this also. It's your choice. I'm just define here because I'm taking the just example and basic things. So if you when you use the incoming videos, so you can easily understand what is the constructor and what is destructor. Okay, so this is executed first when you call the class, and this is executed in last, and this is your function. Okay, now I want to call this function. So I have to define a create a object. I'm taking some any variable. I'm taking a variable object. So I'm just understand. Okay. Now I'm call this class A, new, and class A. Okay. Now for accessing the your whatever I make the your function, add function. So I want to call this add function. I'll just write here add and call this. Now this is the call to add function. Now I run this. Okay, php demo.php. Okay, as you guys see, hello constructor, how are you? Total addition comes. So it is called to, we are calling simple add function, but automatically constructor is also called and destructor also called. I already told first executed the constructor automatically and destructor in last. So, but it comes in a one line. So you just, if you want to a new line, you just use your PHP underscore okay, use here also. Okay, right. So first calling, it's your constructor, then your function, and then your last, in last your destructor. If you remove or comment this, I'm going to comment this. Simple for commenting, press control and question mark button. Okay, save this and run this. So you are a function only called. Okay, so like this you use the your class and create an object and call the function. Okay, and if you want to that pass the variable and you operate the something operation addition, so you have to pass your variable and pass your variable and use your operation whatever you need. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of your OOFs, and here we are to how we define the your class, how we define your object. So we are seeing these things, class and object. Okay, and we are cover here class and object and your constructor, and your destructor. Okay, so these are things I we are cover here. Now, in coming videos, we will see your we will cover your abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and your multiple inheritance, your interface, and static function method, or your straight. So these things we will cover in coming videos. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.